Tomato, nice and round, sits on lettuce, crispy sound. Orange carrots, grated thin, stack them high, now tuck them in. Rainbow in my sandwich, what a tasty sight. Colors in a yummy bite, oh what a delight. Stack it up from red to blue, healthy, happy, good for you. Yellow cheese, a sunny square, add green cucumbers with care. Blueberries, just one or two, why not try a purple hue? Purple cabbage gives a crunch, we can eat a rainbow lunch. Layers tall and flavors bold, every color bright and bold. Final rainbow in my sandwich, taste the colors shine. Eating every layer makes me feel so fine. Chew